journey. Roadworks between Little Common and Bexhill on the 259 causing a...
On your smart speaker,
Play BBC Radio Sussex.
and on your radio.
Now, in just a moment, I'll talk to Dr. Georgina Gould, who is the clinical lead at Dose of Nature. You don't have to put on the
We know that it's hard to do it alone. We know that it's hard to change habits alone. So we have somebody alongside that person, helping them to spend time in nature and really find ways to connect.
Capaldi's new one. This is Strangers. We were strangers at the bar. They were playing Wonderwall. I overheard you say you hate this song. Next thing I knew, I'm walking over, came and tapped you on your shoulder. Said, my dear, you're not the only one. Yeah, Lewis Capaldi's new one, that's Strangers. Right, it's time for me to go. I'll be back tomorrow with another mystery tune, of course.
Demanding pay rises.
With Atomic City. Today, the 18th of January, is Winnie the Pooh Day, both here and in America.
Know that you're not alone. So my lunch break is...
Saw a horse on a regular basis, so you get to sort of get a feel for how well that horse is, or how well or how stiff it is. So I'm picking up the limbs, and you get a sense of how this is feeling, and its wellness in general. Sort of, it's when apprenticeships got abolished, it was it's a mathematical improbability that you're going to attach. A lot of people used to worry about it, and then I realised that they were sent to my body, so I just got on and just.
cause they hit us for a ride. Yeah, you find a couple, can you really make a job right? All these things I come to realize is I hit us for a ride. I'll come over the things I go wrong, for the things I go right. All of my enemies in life, enemies in my blood. Wanna be a G, be like big ball, make greens. And nobody tests when I'm walking down the street. And I realize I could be, and I realize I could be me. And I realize I could be, and I realize I could be me. And I realize I could be like big ball, make greens. And nobody tests when I'm walking down the street. And I realize I could be.
And then we're doing a throwback. Leo's Miss Independent on the way as well.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. On the beach, on the beach, on the beach.
Booking geniuses. Get free airport lounge access when you book a 4 or 5-star holiday with On the Beach. Feet up, fill your boots. Por favor. On the beach. Book like a genius. Holiday like a fool.
Conditions apply, 7-night minimum stay, outbound only from selected airports for up to 6 people, travel May to October, at all protected.
On the beach.
Here in the southeast, we sell amazing products and services the whole world wants.
We're global processing services from London, and we help people pay in innovative ways in over 48 countries.
Whilst at Naturally Tribal in Milton Keynes, our all-natural skincare range soothes skin conditions in 5 countries.
Exporting or experienced? Explore global growth for your business with free support from the UK government. Access information, training, events and expert advice to help you find new customers overseas. Visit great.gov.uk to get started.
Taylor and ink.
Get yours in a blink, and for less than you think, at cartridgepeople.com. For unbeatable prices,
Cartridge People.
printing sorted.
See online for our price promise. I'm Professor Noel Fitzpatrick, and as a vet, I know you want the best care for your animal companion. Pet insurance can help, but you need to choose wisely as not all policies are the same. Pet Plan aim to pay claims quickly and without a fuss, and that's one reason why so many vets work with them.
Get your pet the best veterinary care. Save 10% on new policies when you insure.
Stretched out like a zombie when holding a newspaper, or holds a book so close you might as well be kissing it. At Specsavers, we get it. You don't want to admit it's time to be...
Engineer, I'm tasked with making improvements to the baggage system. It's a big responsibility making sure thousands of visitors a day get their luggage.
George is my brother. We both off work at Gatwick Airport, just like many other families in the area.
Over 300 apprentices have started their engineering careers at Gatwick Airport, just like us.
Gatwick Airport, let's take off together. Worth £45 before February 7th at hollandandbarracks.com.
At Asda, we're making it easier and cheaper to help you eat healthy this January by launching our new Fab 5 offers. You can take your pick of the bunch from 5 fabulous quality fruit and veg at a fabulously low price. Right now, get a large avocado, baby potatoes, sugar snap peas, Garden Gang easy peelers and apples, all for just 59p each. Our new Fab 5 offers, a more affordable way to get your 5 a day. Asda, that's more like it. Selected Asda stores, subject to availability, may exclude small stores. Asda.com/small.
Your hands get kept busy in other ways, like throwing a frisbee in the park for your kids, or someone else's dog.
Stopping smoking is the best thing you can do for your health. There's still time to make 2024 the year you quit. For free support, search Smoke Free. Pay monthly and get more with the Vision Express eye care plan. Save 20% on glasses, get breakage and loss protection, and free eye test and more. Find out more in store or online at visionexpress.com. Vision Express. Express your vision. Conditions apply. Loan subject to status, paid over 24 months, interest-free. Selected stores. Vision Express is a credit broker.
Let's take off together.
£30 a year in energy bills. Wash, save, repeat. It all adds up. Find more energy savings. Go.
Let's go then.
Guys, I need power. Turbocharge your gaming and reduce lag with EE Gaming. Even when everyone's online, this is broadband made for gaming from the UK's fastest major broadband provider.
Despite winning the crucial vote, it's reported lots of Tory rebels say they have no confidence in the Prime Minister. A woman from Bexhill has been found guilty of killing an 18-month-old